9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. We have ignition. 2, 1, and liftoff of the United Launch Alliance Atlas V rocket with Space 11 from the United States Air Force.
Good chamber pressure across all 5 SRBs. You've gone to closed loop control. Now passing 20 seconds into flight. Continuing to see good pump speeds and injector pressures on the RD-180. 30 seconds in. And vehicle's now passing Mach 1. SRB chamber pressure continues to look good across all 5 SRBs.
You are hearing the
Now
voice of
passing
Patrick
Q,
Moore
maximum
providing
dynamic
launch
pressure.
vehicle ascent data.
And pump speeds and injector pressures on the RD-180 continue to look good. SRB chamber pressure is also looking good. Now passing 1 minute into flight. And the launch vehicle is now 11 miles in altitude, 7 miles downrange distance, traveling at 2,300 miles per hour.